Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a vegan food haul. I'm going to just start off by saying I am so hungry right now. I haven't eaten since lunch, and like even at that, like lunch was only a kind bar, so you know, you shouldn't notice that. Like for you guys out there, don't ever shop hungry. So I'll end up with something like this. But it was really good. I got some new vegan items I'm really excited to share with you guys, and yeah, let's get into this. Okay guys, so let's start with piece number one. So I got these, it's like a selection pack of crisps. So these are the hummus, quinoa and lentil. They're called chips, but like crisps. I just couldn't make up my mind which ones I wanted. They all look so good, so I was like, you know, I'm just gonna get the selection pack. And yeah, these are so good. They're from the Eat Real company. They're vegan, gluten free, and I mean there's less than 120 calories per individual bag. So I mean, can you go wrong? No. I also got some wraps because, you know, they're a necessity. Hello. So I got some wraps, and these are from Fitzgerald's. They're not the normal brand I go for. I normally get my wraps in Aldi because they're cheaper, but you know, oh my god, damn it. I got the seeded ones, but you know, it's okay, it's okay. I also got some strawberries. I always get strawberries because I literally, like, they're like my favorite fruit. I literally, like, in every haul I think I've gotten from strawberries, but I love these. They're from Keelings. Yeah. What to say about strawberries. They're a very pretty color and the texture is just gorgeous. But yeah, I got strawberries. Okay, I don't remember this from my last food haul. It's the Flat Heavens overnight oats. It's with like chia seeds and cranberry. And I ran out of this like I ran out of it a week ago, and like my purchase hasn't been the same, so I had to pick it up again. I love this so much. It's just so nice. Like, you don't have to have it overnight. Like, you can just make it the same way you make normal porridge. So yeah, like, definitely recommend this, guys. This is so good. I also got Nana's mushroom bolognese. This is going for my dinner tonight because I'm so hungry, and I seen this and I was like, yes, this looks easy, quick and delicious. So I got it from the Wicked company. I love these now, but the only thing is the Tesco, my local Tesco, it never stocks everything from them. Like, it's always sold out. Like, it's really annoying. So I was very lucky to pick this up. Also, almond milk. It's basic. It's a necessity. It's, you know, it's a necessity. You need almond milk in your life, or coconut milk, or hazelnut milk, or soya milk, or oat milk, whatever one you prefer. You need like a dairy-free milk. So I got 2 of them. Yeah. Okay. I also got the Kellogg's Plant Protein Crunch. It's dark chocolate and coconut, and like I seen the picture and it looks like it's like chocolate chunks, and I almost died because like that sounds and looks so tasty, and it's vegan, so, and it's labeled vegan, so well done Kellogg's. You're like really stepping it up, and I really appreciate it. Okay, some frozen items. I got a Goodfellas vegan stone baked falafel. Oh no, I got the wrong one. It's okay. It's okay. I seen another one there that was new that I meant to get, but I thought anyway. Falafel pizza. I've had this before. It's delicious. I'm actually so sad now that I didn't get the other one because I've shown this before in a haul, and I was so excited to show you the new one, but it's okay, it's okay. Also got cauliflower hash browns. These are delicious. Like, I mean, scrumptious. Okay, this one like literally is about to turn to milk, but I got a Ben & Jerry's coconutly carameled non-dairy ice cream. This is, I can't even, I have no words for this. This is so delicious. Like, this is my favorite vegan ice cream at the minute. Love this one. And also the chunky monkey one from Ben & Jerry's is also delicious, but this one at the minute is topping that for me, so you know, pick that up. Okay guys, so I got a couple of other things. I got these kind bars. This is the dark chocolate, nuts and sea salt. This one's a classic. This one's delicious. But they have a new one that I found called peanut butter dark chocolate, and those of you who know me know I love peanut butter. So when I seen this, I had to have it, and I've had this before for my lunch today, and it was delicious. It tastes like peanut butter, chocolatey, gorgeous. Okay, so I have two new things here that I'm really excited to share with you, and also really excited to try. So I got, do you know the Nobu, whatever it is, brand, like a vegan sweet brand to do ice cream and stuff. The ice cream is delicious. It's an Irish company also, so you know, support Irish businesses. It's 48% cocoa. This I'm excited to try. Like, it looks delicious. It's like a little oversized button. Delicious. And this, okay, move free. Hello. This looks delicious. It's hazelnut truffles. I'm sorry, but I have to try them because like it sounds so delicious. Yes. Yeah. Wow. I have probably chocolate all over my face now, but you know what? It was so worth it. These are 100% a winner in my book. These are delicious. So rich. Oh my god, so gorgeous. Love them. So guys, I'm going to tell you what my total came to. I'm going to start doing this more in food hauls now, just letting you know how much this all cost. I mean, it's not a lot of food, and it cost €54.76. Now, am I happy with that price? Not really, but I mean, stuff like this and this and this and this are more expensive than normal kind of, you know, pizzas and sweets and stuff, because they're vegan. You know, they can add up a price because there's less of a selection. So, you know, there's less of variety, so that means you'll buy whatever is there, you know, so it's not as in, it's more, yeah, it's more in demand. No, I don't even know. Anyway, but that's probably why it was. Well, anyway guys, that's my vegan food haul. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments which one of these items you would love to try. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. But before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I put every Wednesday and Saturday. And trust me, you do not want to miss a single one. I actually got like a really exciting news today of a project, like a big project for next year. Like, I mean, oh my god, I can't even, I'm going to talk more about it in my vlog. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. So, bye.